In this video, I will show you how to use Canva video trimming and frames to split your video into segments and animate in your project. Here's what we'll be creating. If you want to follow along in Canva, we will be using the following assets: Video, Tech Keyboard Business, the element circle frame, the shape circle, the background white brick texture, and the animation fade. The steps in this video will be: add video to pages 1 through 3, trim each video timeline, add frame to each video and move into place, add background, add shadow shape, and add animation. Let's get started by adding our video to 3 pages by adding to page 1, then duplicating that page twice. We are doing this so we can change the placement of video while it's playing. Next, we will trim each video so each frame shows a different portion of the video from beginning to end. On page 1, we will trim from the beginning to when the hand is about to pick up the pen and write. On page 2, we will trim from the end of page 1 to just about when the hand is about to put the pen down. On page 3, we will trim from the end of page 2 to the end of the video itself. Now let's put each of these videos in a frame. Choose your desired frame. We will choose circle. Move it backward, then drag and drop the video into the frame. Now let's do the same to pages 2 and 3. Since I want each video segment to play on different areas, I will move each video into place on their pages. Next, we will add a background. You can choose a single color, gradient, or image. One of my favorite backgrounds is white brick, so I will add that to each page. If you want to give your frame a bit of depth, you can add a shadow effect by choosing circle shape, resize, and move it behind your frame. You can also change the opacity, as I will do here. Last, we will add a fade animation to each page so the video segments fade in and the transitions are not so harsh. Now you are ready to download your video. Click Download and choose Download as MP4. Let's view our final video. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. If you have a need for screencasting services for your website, application, or software, you will find a Life in General Productions information on the screen now, and in the description below.